Hello and welcome to my video, where I'm going to quickly show you how to fold a napkin into a flower. I honestly used to do this in every restaurant I ever went in growing up. All you need is a napkin, and the first thing you need to do is open it out, like so. Then take each of the four corners into the centre and press the fold in place. Try and make all the folds you do as crisp and even as you can. Then repeat this step again, making sure you keep the previous folds in place too. So just fold each corner into the centre. Readjust these folds if any are looking a bit wonky. Then sandwich the napkin between your hands to keep the folds in place and flip the whole thing over. Then do the same step once more of folding each corner into the centre. You'll need to hold the points in the centre so they don't flip outwards again. Often I'd put my drinks glass in the centre to hold everything in place. To finish, you need to find a corner of the napkin underneath and pull it outwards whilst also squashing the visible corner of the square downwards. This creates a petal. Do this at each corner, pulling the napkin corner out from underneath whilst pressing down the corner of the folded square. Then find the other corners of the napkin underneath, which will be between these petals, and pull those outwards to form the leaves. Once all of these pieces have been moulded into place, you can make any final adjustments and everything should now just stay in position. And that's how you make a napkin flower. I really hope you enjoyed this video and thank you very much for watching.